evening. Okay. Hello, everybody. Can hear me well, okay? So today, my topic is on insurance, which is something that a lot of people not really thought of when they are going diving. So today, I'm going to introduce to you Dive Assist, okay, incorporation in one-stop capital, okay? So my topic is dive accident membership insurance and also pro diver liability insurance. Myself is a Dive Assist Asia partner. We have been Dive Assist Asia partner for a few years now, right? So basically, what we have, let me introduce Dive Assist. Dive Assist actually is an affiliate account who affiliate associations which provide the membership insurance. Dive Assist's membership insurance solutions actually provide specialty scuba diving accident insurance and liability insurance across the world. All right. Our partner, Dive Master Insurance, is a leader in dive insurance from UK. Right? And our membership cover sport divers and instructors, dive school, and clubs. Right. What is dive insurance and pro diver insurance liability cover? Let me give you an explanation. As a dive accident membership cover, we have two different kind of coverage. One is on the basic annual cover, Scuba Medic basic annual cover, which we cover the accident, medical expenses due to accident. Right? Example, if you meet like a jellyfish, so you go to hospital, or you have ear problem after the dive, so we pay for that. So and of course also we pay for the hyperbaric treatment costs. We pay for emergency repatriation. All right. Air evacuation, search and rescue costs. Reasonable transportation costs and accommodation expenses, personal accident cover due cause death and permanent disability, civil liability, and etc. So this is the basic cover that we have. So when you go diving, actually you have a peace of mind when you buy insurance, and it is a very reasonable price in terms of coverage. So you should get yourself covered because it's still a dangerous sport. And especially when you need to dive overseas, a lot of in a lot of situations can cause you financial losses as well, right? So and not only on the basic cover, and some people think that, oh, maybe you go to places that may cost you more, then you might want to go for the higher level of diving insurance cover, which we call IDAC, International Diving Accident Membership, which it gives you a higher coverage. Right? So there are two kind of accident cover, that give you the coverage that you needed. All right. So next, why we need to buy dive accident insurance or the membership, and pro diver liability insurance? Maybe I can give you one or two incidents that I heard of. First, I will tell you one incident that I heard of from a divers who doesn't have insurance. So, and I remember this is a case that I heard from my friend diving in Anilao. Anilao, they're doing a macro drive. And after that, this person actually had a DCS, and which I think the bubble actually hit the spine. And this person actually can't walk and ended up have to end in the chamber. And in the chamber, he need to spend, I think, 3 days, each day like about 4 hours like that in the chamber. And actually this costs about more than 10,000 US dollar. And happened that this person doesn't have any insurance. And of course in Dive Assist we have been paying for a lot of hyperbaric incident. right, whereby it costs more than 10,000 euro. Okay, that is exactly why we need insurance, because when nothing happens, it is not important at all. But when it's happened, definitely it's going to cost you a bomb, right? Okay, so and another thing is about the liability insurance. Yep, about liability, what is meaning by diver liability insurance? Okay, next we are going to have more liability insurance at the bottom of my slide. Okay, so when something's very serious happen, okay, what you will do is that you will need to contact NGS, and NGS is the company that guarantee payment. That means when you have you need a helicopter, or if you need hyperbaric treatment that will cost you so much money, so whereby you don't need to pay first. Okay, they will guarantee the payment. Okay. So and here next, my topic is talking about 2 annual pro diver instructor annual liability membership, which the pro diver liability membership actually give you, there's 2 plans. One is covering 1 million, okay, euro, and another one is cover 4 million euro. Okay, and basically you can find the price on internet, you can sign up on internet. Okay, so and it is valid for all diving association. Okay, as a diver, as a insurance professional myself, in fact I'm having professional liability for insurance myself, right? Even though I'm not giving wrong advice, okay, I follow what is written on the policy, but I do have my own liability insurance. Every year I renew, right? So as an instructor or DM who work in this industry, I do believe that it is very important to have a liability insurance which cover on any kind of advice that you give to your customer. Okay, so and we recommend a limit of euro 4 million, as this is required by various certifications, certifying association, including PADI. Okay. So what is the liability insurance is covering? It is actually covering, okay, the instructions that is given, the trainings of the trainer. So basically on recreations, snorkeling, free diving, okay, recreation diving, underwater scientific project, underwater filming, okay, any first aid required. Okay, and the main point of cover is that it covers your civil liability, legal liability, okay, and extend to your principal as well. So on this incident, example is that someone who, example, if I have a loss of diver, okay, due to bad weather or diving condition, maybe there's a diver loss or any accident happen. Or maybe in certain instances, I know in Malaysia that sometimes one instructor can bring more than 3 divers, So, and if accident were to happen, the family who is unhappy, they could sue, the family, sue the dive center and also the instructor. In this case, Dive Assist will take care of the legal costs. And also they will take care of the amount that pay to the family as well. Okay? Right, and defense costs, yeah. So on top of that, not only on the individual instructor, we also cover dive center liability. So basically we cover the dive center, right? There are 2 kinds of dive center liability we are focusing on, which is sorry, it's not like moving much. Is it like, okay, it's moving now, okay. Is there a certain area I should point where? Point there, okay. All right, so, okay. So basically, I think, basically dive center liability is talking about covering the dive center itself. So, and the basic one will cover up to 6 instructor or dive master. Okay, so if your dive center already take this dive center liability, it will take care of up to 6, okay, dive instructor. all right, in terms of liability. So, and next we will, for dive center owner, okay, this is a good news. So, of course, for dive center owner, you would want to protect your customer, okay, and for anyone who dive with you, right? For students from in-water accident. And we actually appoint dive assist reseller. Okay, so and you can open a dive assist selling account today with us and protect your customer with water accident insurance membership up to 50,000 euro. So of course you can earn extra income, okay? If you're interested to know more, how do you do it? I think you can come to our booth at A139 later, so you can talk to us. We will explain to you how you would be able to do that, right? I think more important is you ensure that the people diving in your center actually have insurance. Yep. Okay. So yep. Okay. So, and not only that, when you come to our dive, when you come to our booth later, do claim this whistle. Okay, I think I'm not very good at this, but my colleague is very good, okay? So you can use this actually to shout for the boat, So you can get, we have a lot of colors. Okay, come and claim this from our booth there, so we don't want to bring it back, okay? So yeah, do come to understand about dive insurance. And also for this, because of MIDE, so we are selling for the dive insurance with a lot of discount. So you can get it, normal time we sell it at ringgit 361, but for the dive show you get it at 324 ringgit, so which is very good for the whole year of cover. Yeah, okay. And moreover, with our presence in the Asia, I think a lot of people, they will feel very comfortable because you actually, if you have any question about insurance at all, you can actually ask our team. You can ask us because we have a lot of experience. Okay, like myself is 25 years experience in insurance industry. We can help you to read through the lines. We can help you to do claims. That's the beauty of getting insurance from Dive Assist. Yep. Thank you very much. That's the end of my presentations. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, by the way, we have Douglas. Okay, from Dive Assist. If you have any question you want to ask him, because he's all the way from UK, right? So you have any question you want to ask him, you want to form a partnership or anything that you want, you can talk to him as well, right? Thank you.